welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and today I am here with a throwback palette. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. And if you didn't see my last video where I used a throwback palette, I got this idea from that girl Shay. She usually does a palette. I don't know if she does it every week, but I know that she does like a throwback palette where she'll do a makeup look with the palette that she hasn't used in a while. So I like the idea. I thought I would do that because I have a lot of palettes that I haven't used in a while. So this is a palette I'm going to be using. These are the colors, and you can already see there's some colors in here I haven't touched. I don't know what to do with, but we're going to get into this look, and I want to use these two colors, so Roxy and Electric, and I think I'm going to add some fudge. I think I'm going to stay right here. I might throw in some Untamed because that color's not used, but we shall see. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to be taking Roxy. This is probably my favorite color in the palette because I can already see I'm hitting pan in there. We're putting that in our crease. I'm going to try not to talk too much because I'm just going to be using this palette. That way we can just focus on the colors I'm using. Okay, now that we have Roxy on there, I'm going to blend a little bit of fudge on my outer crease and blend it forward. Ooh, let me go ahead and tap some of that out over there before I blend. Pigmented. I actually really like this palette. I don't remember when it came out, but I have a feeling when this came out, a lot of people didn't like it, or maybe it had mixed reviews. But I really like this palette. Okay, now we're going to cut our crease, and once I cut my crease, I'm going to put the color Electric on top. All right, I am back. My crease is cut. Now we're going to go ahead and start packing Electric onto my lid. Okay, I have Electric on the lid. Now I want to take, I want to put Roxy on the outer edge of Electric. And I'm patting that on. I'm not swiping. I'm just patting. Because Electric like has like the green and the looks like soft pink reflex, so that's why I want to add this pink in here before I add in Untamed. So now I'm going to take Untamed and start blending that from my corner and then forward. Okay, it cut out. But now I'm going to take fudge. So I have untamed, but I'm going to take fudge just to deepen it up a little bit more. Just very softly on the outer crease. And bring it forward. Okay. Got kicked off again. Okay. So this is where we're at. Now I need to do my eyeliner, mascara, and all that, but I'm going to do that off camera. Well, I'm going to do it on camera. I'm just going to edit it out. Okay, so I have my lashes on, eyeliner on, mascara on. I already did my bottom waterline with the Kajal black eyeliner. Now I'm going to just do my lower lash line by putting, I think I'm just going to put fudge down there. All right, now let's take, I'm going to do my inner corner today. I'm going to take Cube and just stick this on the inner corner here. All right, perfect. Now for lips, I'm going to be using this LA Girl lip liner in the color Natural Cream. I don't think that's what this color is called. But I don't see any other color on here, so I guess it is. Maybe it is called Natural Cream because it doesn't even look like it's going on. This color is very light, but I was hoping it would come out looking like this. That's okay. Now I'm just going to put on my lips. So I'm using the Glam Light, and this is the color Eggnog. I forgot to mention, this has the mirror on there, so. And then I'm using this lip gloss topper in the color Donut. So we're gonna put Eggnog with Donut on top. It doesn't smell or taste like eggnog. But it does have like a smell. I just don't know what it is. Let me see if donut smells like donut. No. So a very nude lip, glossy, feels smooth, like silky, so all good. So this is my eye look. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you have the Subculture palette and if you're still using yours. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Merry Christmas!